Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I had posted a shorts video of what's for lunch and I had made Shahi Paneer Pulao. So one of my subscribers had requested for the recipe. The ingredients list for this dish is given below, so do check out. And for more such easy, quick and simple recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's jump right into the video. So to make this, I've taken a pan and heated some oil in it on medium-high. I've cut the paneer into pieces and marinated it in some turmeric, salt and Shahi biryani masala. So I'm going to just put this into the oil and then shallow fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overdo it, just 2 to 3 minutes will do. Then I've transferred the paneer into a bowl of hot water and we're going to keep this aside. This will keep the paneer soft. So in a pressure cooker and on medium-high heat, I've heated some oil and ghee. Into this goes ginger garlic paste. And we are going to saute this nicely until the raw smell disappears. Then we add in finely sliced onion and green chilli. We'll saute the onions as well until they turn into light brown color. So the onions are also done. Now it's time to add the spices. I've got turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Shahi biryani masala and salt to taste. So Shahi biryani masala is the main ingredient for this dish. So do buy this from the store and it comes handy in making all kinds of pulaus. So I'm going to add all these masalas into the onions. We'll saute the masala until they are cooked. And also add in some finely sliced tomato. Now we'll mix everything together and let the tomato soften a little. Then I'm adding in chopped coriander leaves to this mixture. Again mixing everything together. And now it's time to add the basmati rice. So I've washed, cleaned the rice and soaked it for 10 to 20 minutes. Then I've drained it and I'm adding it to the pressure pan. Now all that we have required to do is to saute the rice until it turns nice and bright. Make sure you do this gently without breaking the rice. So the rice has been nicely sauteed for some time. Now let's add the water required to cook the rice. So I've used up the water that I had soaked the paneer in along with a little bit of hot water also. So that's 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Now we'll mix the rice nicely. At this stage you can check on the salt required for the dish. And then let this come to a boil. So once the water comes to a boil, we'll add in the paneer which we had fried and soaked. Gently mix that in as well. And all that's left to be done is to pressure cook this for 2 whistles on high flame. So once the pressure releases, you can open the cooker and use a fork to gently mix the rice well. And then again cover it and keep it aside until it's ready to be served. You can serve this with any raita or gravy of your choice. So do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.